Cecilia, what else is in your stocking? Another cereal bar? Delicious. Yeah, so yummy.
Yeah, 2 bars.
You gotta keep pulling the stuff out, though.
What else is in there?
Play-Doh! We're gonna have fun with that today. You don't even know what that is yet. Yeah, now you get it. Now you get the idea. There's stuff inside.
Ooh, another bar.
Yay!
Bye.
Another bar.
Bye.
You're the cutest little stocking opener ever.
Avocado. Abba.
Yay! All done. Well, more bars and yogurt.